Imagine a world where AI is doing everything faster, smarter, and cheaper than humans. And yet, there are still people dominating every field. They're not the smartest, they're not the most talented. Their advantage is something far more powerful: deep focus. In an economy driven by AI, deep focus is the ultimate unfair advantage. But here's the problem: 99% of people destroy their ability to focus within the first 10 minutes of their day without even realizing it. Fix this one thing, and you'll be 10 steps ahead of almost everyone. That one thing? The first 10 minutes after you wake up.
Here's what neuroscience tells us. When you wake up, your brain is not fully alert yet. It's transitioning from deeper brainwave states into a more active one. This makes your mind highly impressionable. In simple terms, your brain is being programmed. Now think about this. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, notifications, reels, random content, what are you training your brain to do? Seek constant stimulation, chase dopamine, avoid effort. This is what I call digital intoxication. And once your brain enters this state early in the morning, deep focus becomes almost impossible. But here's the opportunity. If you control this window, you can literally wire your brain for focus.
This is where everything changes. Your brain operates in two modes. One, the sober brain, calm, focused, controlled. Two, the digitally intoxicated brain, restless, scattered, addicted to stimulation. Most people start their day intoxicated and then expect to perform at a high level. That's like trying to run a marathon while already exhausted. It doesn't work. But when you use the analog anchor ritual, something shifts. You send a clear message to your brain. I control my attention. I'm not a slave to dopamine. And slowly, your focus starts expanding. First, 20 minutes, then 40, then 90. And over time, you build something rare: deep work capacity. A point where you can sit down and work for 4+ hours in a state of complete flow. No distractions, no mental fatigue, no urge to check your phone. And here's the truth: this isn't talent, this is training. The difference is simple. Average people consume stimulation. Elite performers design their mind.
This is not just a morning habit, it's a long-term system. If you invest just 10 minutes every morning, you will improve your focus, multiply your productivity, gain mental clarity. And over time, you don't just become productive, you become unstoppable. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Tomorrow morning, don't pick up your phone, pick up your mind. Because in a distracted world, focus is the real superpower.